welcome back to my channel. Today I have fun little tour and organization video for you. I'll be sharing my latest yarn haul with you, which I recently picked up some gorgeous red and pink fine cotton yarns that I'm super excited to use in my next crochet projects. I'll also be giving you a peek at how I organize my yarn and crochet tools in my space. I don't have a lot of room, especially since I have a roommate, but I've made the most of what I have. Let's jump right into it. Alright, let's start with the yarn haul. I've got some beautiful shades of red and pink and fine cotton yarns. These are perfect for more delicate projects like headbands, small home decor items, and even some floral crochet designs. I'm really excited to use this for my upcoming projects, and I'll be sure to keep you all posted on what I create with them. A hint? It's for Christmas. Now let's move on to how I organize my yarn collection and crochet supplies. I've set up a 3-tier shelf where I keep everything organized and within easy reach. So at the third level, I store all my fine cotton yarns, including the new red ones and pink ones I just showed you. I keep all the fine cottons here, so I know exactly where to go when I want to start a new project with these yarns. On the second level, I keep my milk cotton yarns. These are slightly thicker and perfect for larger projects, so it's helpful to have them separated. On the first level, I store all my crochet tools and accessories. I have hooks, stitch markers, and scissors, and everything else I need for my crochet in my projects in easy reach. Alongside the yarn and tools, I've also placed some of my crochet pieces on display. I think it's so helpful to have these out, not just because they add color to the space, but because I can grab them anytime. I have some headbands on display for easy access, so I can just pick one up for if I'm heading out and want to add something handmade to my outfit. I also have a hanging crochet pot that I made. It holds a cute little plant that brightens up my space, and I could also put my pencils inside of it. Plus, I have some crochet flower designs like lavender and tulips that add a nice decorative touch to the space. Now, onto the bit of yarn housekeeping. We all have these projects that didn't just work out or didn't end up as we'd hoped, right? So in this video, I thought I'd show you a little bit of how I rewind those projects. It's a great way to repurpose the yard for something new and keep things organized without letting unfinished projects pile up. Plus, it's pretty satisfying to clear out space and get a fresh start. So you might be wondering why my setup is on this little shelf instead of spread out a little bit more. Well, the truth is I don't have a ton of space in my room, and I have a roommate, so I need to keep things compact. I'm really happy with this setup though, because it keeps everything within reach and make it easy to find out what I need without taking too much space. And that's it. I hope you enjoy seeing my yarn haul and how I keep everything organized. Let me know in the comments how you organize your yarn stash, or if you have any tips for organizing small spaces. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming crochet projects using these beautiful yarns. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crocheting!